A space probe, a space probe is going 615 meters per second after having decelerated, okay? So I'm guessing that is our final velocity. I feel like it is, right? After, it's the velocity after, it says after. All right, 615 meters per second. It has decelerated at negative, so it's negative 0.147 meters per second squared, and then a distance of 29.1 kilometers, so 29,100 meters, right? What time did it take? Okay, so this is one of those ones where we don't actually have a formula for it, right? It's like, we'd like to use the formula no VI, but we don't have it, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the initial velocity first, and then I'll find the time, right? So let's divide ourselves up here. Whoop. Okay. Okay, so let's find VI first. All right, so whenever you find yourself like, oh, I don't have a formula for it, right? Just find the thing you need to find this, right? So VI first, I'm going to use no t, right? So that is VF squared equals VI squared plus 2AX, right? So 615 squared equals VI squared plus 2 times negative 0.147 times 29,100. Okay. So I'm going to do this number here. 2 times negative 0.147 times 29,100. And I get this is like negative 8,555.4, and then I'm gonna add it to this side, and then 615 squared is, wow, that's a big number, right? So now I've got 3,78225 equals VI squared plus negative 8,555.4. So my next step is I'm going to actually add this to both sides, right? So that guy, and now I have that 386,780.4 is equal to VI squared, right? So therefore VI is equal to, the absolute value of VI is equal to the square root of this, right? So I'm going to square root that number. And I get 621.916. Meters per second. So that's my initial velocity now. 621.9167, right? So now the second thing is I'm going to find the time. Right? And I'll just use this guy, VF as VI. You could use any equation that has time. This one's the easiest, so let's use the easy one. Okay, so I've got 621.9167 is equal to our poop. 615 is equal to 621.9167 plus negative 0.147 times t. So now I'm going to go this guy minus this guy, right? So 615 minus that guy, and I get negative 6.9167 is equal to negative 0.147 times t, and then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 0.147 divided by negative 0.147, and I get 47.05. So t equals 47.1 seconds. Now, if you're off by a lot, that means you're rounding this number. Like you rounded that number to like 622 or something like that. Don't do that. Don't round. Okay, write down a bunch of digits if you use some value like that. Write down a bunch, or better yet, just hit that up arrow on your calculator. Hit up arrow and until you get that number selected, and then hit enter. This works on a TI-84. Okay. All right.